In today's video, I will guide you on how to remove this arrow from desktop icon on your Windows computer, either Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's dive into this process together. The very first thing you have to do is to combine two keys here, Windows plus R. It brings to this interface. Then in the space provided here, write regedit. Then hit the OK button. Click on yes. It brings to this interface. Now carefully follow the steps as I guide you in this place. Now go and open this HK local machine. Click on the arrow at the back of it. Then click on softwares. Once you click on softwares, then click here, then tap on name button. It takes you to Microsoft. Then click the arrow at the back of Microsoft. Now at Microsoft, click anyone, then tap on W. It takes you straight to the W section. Then scroll down until you have access to Windows. Then click the arrow at the back of Windows. Now click the arrow at the back of current versions. Now once you click on the arrow at the back of current version, then scroll up until you get to Explorer. Under E, you should see Explorer. Under E, then this Explorer, click at the back of arrow on Explorer. Now that I've clicked at the back of arrow on Explorer, you need to make a file here. So let's do that as soon as possible. Go to the Explorer again. Just click on the Explorer, right click on it, mouse over your move your mouse to over new, then click on key. Then here type in shell icon. The shell should start with capital X, then the letter, the rest is small letter, then the icon space capital ICONX, then hit the enter button. Make sure that the correct spelling is spelled as you see it, shell icon. Now that I've write shell icon, then come to this side, the front side here. You need to create another value here. Right click here, move your mouse over new, then this time I'm going to click on this one that says string value. Once you click on string value, then name it 29. Just tap 29 on your keyboard, hit the enter button. Once I've hit enter button, now you can double click on this button, or you right click, then you modify. It brings to this interface. Now under this value data, write the exact word you see on, put in the same value you see here, percentage windir percentage backslash system should start with capital X 32 backslash shell small letter shell 32 dot DLL comma, then little dash and 50, then click on this button. OK. Provided all this information, then go ahead and restart your PC. Then those white arrow will remove from the apps icon on your device. If you enjoy what I've explained, if you're not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and drop your comment in the comment section. See you guys on our next video.